What is a typical day like for a juvenile probation officer? Have you ever wondered what a juvenile probation officer does on a daily basis? This role is essential in the juvenile justice system, focusing on guiding young people under court supervision. Let's take a closer look at a typical day for these dedicated professionals. A juvenile probation officer usually begins their day by reviewing their caseload. Each officer manages a group of youth who are either on probation or waiting for court hearings. The first task is to check in on each case, update records, and plan visits or meetings. One of the main responsibilities involves conducting visits to the homes and schools of the juveniles. These visits can be announced or unannounced. They allow the officer to monitor compliance with court orders and observe the youth's living conditions. During these visits, the officer interviews the youth and their family members to gather information about their progress and any challenges they may face. Documentation plays a vital role in this job. Officers prepare detailed reports for the court that summarize the youth's behavior, progress, and any issues that arise. These reports are important for judges to make informed decisions about the case, such as whether to continue probation or recommend alternative interventions. Juvenile probation officers also serve as liaisons between the youth, their families, schools, and social service agencies. They coordinate with attorneys, school officials, and service providers to ensure the youth receives the necessary support. This can include counseling, substance abuse treatment, or educational services. Another key aspect of the job is making recommendations to the court. Based on their observations, officers suggest actions that support the youth's rehabilitation and reduce the risk of reoffending. This might involve recommending community service, therapy, or adjustments to probation conditions. Throughout the day, officers may attend court hearings to present their reports or testify about a youth's progress. They also need to be prepared to respond to emergencies, such as a youth violating probation terms or facing new legal issues. Training and professional development are ongoing for juvenile probation officers. They attend workshops and training sessions to stay updated with best practices in juvenile justice and legal procedures. For those considering a career as a juvenile probation officer, it is important to know that this role combines legal knowledge with social skills. Law students interested in this path should be ready for a dynamic work environment where legal principles and advocacy come together. The job requires a solid understanding of juvenile law, court procedures, and the ability to communicate effectively with diverse groups. In practical terms, a law student looking into this career should expect a schedule that is both structured and unpredictable. The focus will be on case management, supervision, and advocating for youth in the justice system. This hands-on, community-oriented work offers direct experience with legal processes and the chance to make a positive impact on young lives.